you all to and thank you for your comment. These two RC cars released by Kyosho use the same motor and ESC. Madwagon, Toyota Takoma.
Takoma Madwagon.
Therefore, when I bought this Toyota Takoma, I thought it would drive similarly to a Madwagon, so I hesitated.
Takoma Madwagon.
I created this video because I thought there are people who thought the same way as me. So, take a look. If we want to do a backflips and stunts, the Madwagon is definitely the way to go.
This time I'll use this 3-cell battery. $36 miles per hour. Whoa. Speed 35 miles per hour. 35 miles per hour. 35. Speed is 37 miles per hour. Speed is 37 miles per hour.
I felt like it was clearly faster than the last time I ran it.
Oh, GoPro down. Speed is 36 miles per hour. A little bit faster than stock gear. Not bad.
Next, I'd like to introduce the parts that broke on these tracks. First of all, Madwagon. To be honest, I didn't like the Madwagon body, but this Toyota Takoma body was so cool that I bought another one and made my own.
This is the front, this is the rear. I'm sure the seats and the interior are here.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared.
You can see videos of all these RC cars in my past videos, so please take a look.